Hi everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 delicious detox smoothie recipes, and each of these smoothies are so vibrant, they're so delicious, you're going to love them, and they're all very rich in different foods and nutrients that are excellent for digestion and liver function especially, which is really important when it comes to detoxification. So all the full recipe details can be found on my blog. I will leave the links below, and let's get started. So the first smoothie that we're going to be making is the triple green detox smoothie, and this smoothie here has 3 very important greens for detoxification, including matcha, which is very energizing and rich in antioxidants, chlorella, which is great for heavy metal detox, and spinach as well. You're also going to need pineapple and banana. So add all of the ingredients into your blender and simply blend it up. I love this smoothie because the pineapple in there really helps to cut any kind of green flavor. You really don't notice it at all. And if any of you guys are a little bit wary of green things, this one, trust me, you will really love. It's tropical, it's fresh, it's just delicious. The second smoothie we have here is the orange turmeric detox smoothie, and this one I have to say I think is my favorite out of all 3. So for this you're going to need ginger, which is excellent for digestion. You're also going to need some turmeric, which is really anti-inflammatory and great for the liver. It's also really high in antioxidants. You're going to need some hemp seeds, good source of protein and healthy fats, and you'll need carrot, navel orange, and banana. So I'm starting by taking the hemp seeds, mixing it with some water, and making a hemp milk. However, you don't actually have to do it this way. You can really just throw all the ingredients in at the same time if you'd like to, but I do like to whip up a hemp milk. You could also use any other non-dairy nut milk as well. Add in all your ingredients, your turmeric, and give it a nice blend. And look at that color. It is so beautiful. It's so pigmented. I love this smoothie because it's creamy and it has a comforting flavor to it with the ginger, so it has a bit of a zesty flavor to it, and it's all around just really great. This smoothie would also be nice if you had a sprinkle of cinnamon in there too. All the flavors combine really, really nicely. And the third smoothie I have here is the strawberry beet detox smoothie, and this is the most vibrantly pigmented smoothie you will ever make. And all you need is 4 ingredients. So you'll need some fresh or frozen strawberries, some chia seeds, which are a great source of fiber, and 1 cooked beet as well, and you'll need some water. So to begin, you're just gonna boil the beet. You can use a raw beet, but I find that the cooked beet is just a little bit easier on the gut. So you just put a whole beet in a pot of water with the skin on, and once you boil it for about 40 minutes or so, the skin peels off really easily. And then you can toss everything into the blender, add your chia seeds, add your water, just 4 ingredients, and blend it up, and you have the most gorgeous crimson red colored smoothie. And the beets are really what help to give you that beautiful red color, and beets contain a phytonutrient called betaine, which really helps to support detoxification. So they're very liver loving, and of course very rich in antioxidants as well, which are really important to help neutralize free radicals, which basically just means very important for protecting the health of our cells, especially when we are doing any kind of detoxification. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and be sure to check out my blog for the full recipes. You can subscribe to my channel for new videos every single week, and I will see you guys very soon.